Hello friends, I am Santosh Baban Rao Gaikwad, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, Let Pundigrao Gori Arts and Science College, Shirpur Jain, District Washim. From previous two lecture, we have started to study most important organic compounds containing carbonyl group in their functional group, that is carbonyl compounds. In previous lecture, we studied synthesis of aldehydes as well as synthesis of ketones with their nomenclature. We also studied about its molecular orbital structure and polarity. In this lecture, we are going to study most important reactions of aldehyde like Cannizzaro reaction, Perkin reaction, benzoin condensation with their reaction mechanisms. Initially, we also take a overlook on physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So, stay with me up to the end of this video. Before we go towards our most important topic of this lecture, that is reactions of aldehyde and ketones, we just overlook on physical properties of it. We study its physical properties like state, solubility and its boiling points. Methanol, that is formaldehyde, is a gas at room temperature, whereas ethanol, that is acetaldehyde, is volatile liquid. Other aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid at room temperature. The boiling point of aldehydes and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons and ether of comparable molecular masses because of the weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones arising due to the dipole-dipole interactions. Also, their boiling points are lower than those of alcohols and similar molecular masses due to the absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The lower members of aldehydes and ketones such as formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone are miscible with water in all proportion because of they forms hydrogen bond with water. Here we can see hydrogen bonding between hydrogen and water molecule and oxygen of carbonyl oxygen of lower aldehydes and ketones. However, the solubility of aldehydes and ketones decreases rapidly on increasing the length of alkyl chain. All aldehydes and ketones are fairly soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, etc. The lower aldehydes have sharp pungent odor. As the size of the molecule increases, the odor becomes less pungent and more fragrant. In fact, many naturally occurring aldehydes and ketones are used in the blending of perfumes and flavoring agents. Now we are going to study most important topic, that is reactions of aldehyde and ketones. We cover this topic in systematic manner. That is, initially we are going to study some reactions of aldehydes. These reactions specially taken with aldehydes only, or we can say majority these reactions are done with aldehydes. Now we are going to study first reaction, that is Cannizzaro reaction. Before we proceed towards reaction mechanism of this Cannizzaro reaction in deep, we have to know what Cannizzaro reaction is. Its answer is an aliphatic or aromatic aldehydes do not containing alpha hydrogen when heated with sodium hydroxide or other strong bases, that is alkoxide, undergoes an disproportionation reaction. One half of the aldehydes are oxidized to alkali metal salt of carboxylic acid and other half are reduced to an alcohol. This reaction is given by the Italian chemist Stanislao Cannizzaro in 1853 and hence it is known as Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is also known as aldehyde disproportionation reaction. Here we take a simple reaction for our better understanding. In this reaction, when two molecules of formaldehyde treated with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, this gives reduced product methanol and oxidized product sodium or potassium carboxylate salt. We can see this reaction here. Keep in mind that if the aldehyde has alpha hydrogen, the aldol reaction will take place faster than Cannizzaro reaction. Characteristic of this reaction is the transfer of hydride, means H minus ion takes place. And limitations of this reaction is that this reaction takes place between two molecules of same or different aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen atoms. This reaction can be performed by nucleophilic attack of hydroxyl group on aldehyde, where the leaving group from the aldehyde, that is hydride, attacks on another molecule of aldehyde. This forms carboxylate and alkoxide ion. Another example for the Cannizzaro reaction is when two molecules of benzaldehyde or any substituted benzaldehyde on disproportionation reaction with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide gives reduction product, that is benzyl alcohol, and oxidized product, that is sodium salt of benzoic acid or sodium benzoate. We can see here. Now we are going to overlook on reaction mechanism of this reaction. In the possible reaction mechanism of this reaction, nucleophilic attack of hydroxyl group on electrophilic carbonyl carbon of formaldehyde molecule takes place. At the same time, bond between electron deficient carbonyl carbon and carbonyl oxygen opens at oxygen. In the next step, another molecule of hydroxide acts as a base and deprotonates same molecule and disproportionate into unstable dione. This dione facilitates the ability of an aldehydic hydrogen to live as a hydride ion. This living hydride ion attacks another formaldehyde molecule in the rate determining state to affords the methoxide and sodium salt of formic acid. In the final step, methoxide ion on protonation gives methanol as well as sodium salt of formic acid on protonation forms formic acid. Both the methoxide and formate ions are more basic than aqueous medium. Hence, they absorb proton from aqueous medium. Exact same reaction mechanism performed with benzaldehyde instead of formaldehyde. In Cannizzaro reaction, if two different aldehydes molecule, that is one is formaldehyde and another molecule is benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde, reacts with each other in concentrated sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, it gives major products, that is benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. This reaction is commonly used for the production of required alcohol. Just replace benzaldehyde with specific substituted benzaldehyde, then we get required product. In this reaction, formaldehyde always convert into formic acid due to its reactivity in all aldehyde family. Now we see application of cross Cannizzaro reaction. The cross Cannizzaro reaction forms neopentyl glycol when isobutyraldehyde reacts with excess of formaldehyde. This neopentyl glycol used in the polyesters as a resins for the aeroplane and boat manufacturing. It also used for varnishing coatings as a synthetic lubricants and plasticizers. The neopentyl structures supports as a excellent resistant to light and heat and hydrolysis. Now we study another most important reaction, that is benzoin condensation reaction. In this reaction, aromatic aldehydes do not containing alpha hydrogen on treatment with aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide undergoes condensation to give alpha hydroxy ketones called benzoin. This reaction is known as benzoin condensation. Here we take example for this reaction. That is, when benzaldehyde is react with aqueous ethanolic solution of potassium or sodium cyanide, condensation of two molecules of benzaldehydes takes place to give benzene. We can see here. Now here we take a overlook on easiest possible reaction mechanism of benzene condensation reaction. All the steps of this cyanide and catalyzed benzene condensation are completely reversible, and the widely accepted mechanism involves the loss of aldehydic proton in the key step. Now we start the reaction mechanism of this reaction. In the reaction mechanism, start with the nucleophilic addition of cyanide ion on electrophilic carbon of carbonyl group of one of the benzaldehyde molecule. Simultaneously, opening of bond between carbonyl carbon and carbonyl oxygen towards the more electronegative oxygen atom. In the next step, the proton transfer takes place from the electron deficient carbon to the negatively charged oxygen atom of the same moiety. Due to the proton transfer, negative charge comes towards the carbon atom. This negatively charged carbon works as a nucleophile and goes to nucleophilic addition reaction with the another molecule of benzaldehyde. It forms intermediate compound where aldehydic proton present on the same molecule whose this proton is. In the next step, proton transfer takes place from former aldehydic moiety to another molecule. In this step, negative charge over oxygen atom forms double bond to carbon atom with the loss of cyanide molecule. This gives our required product, that is benzoin. Characteristic of this reaction mechanism is that the transfer of aldehydic proton from one molecule to another molecule takes place. If we take a different type of aldehyde molecules in the reaction, one of the aldehyde molecule acts as a donor of the proton, whereas the another molecule of aldehyde acts as a acceptor of this proton. This type of reaction found uses in various organic synthesis and reactions. These reactions are very useful in heterocyclic synthesis. Also, this reaction is applicable in polymer chemistry to combine monomers and synthesis of polymers. Now we study another most important reactions of aldehyde, that is Perkin reaction. Then what is Perkin reaction? Aromatic aldehydes, when heated with anhydrides of aliphatic acid which containing at least 2 alpha hydrogens and sodium salt of same acid as a catalyst, condensation takes place to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. This reaction is given by English chemist Sir William Henry Perkin in 1868, and hence it is known as Perkin reaction. We take an example for this reaction here. For example, when benzaldehyde is heated with the acetic anhydride and sodium acetate at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 years, this gives cinnamic acid with acetic acid as a side product. Now we take a overlook on easiest possible reaction mechanism of Perkin reaction. In this reaction mechanism, sodium acetate dissociates to form acetate ion, which acts as a base with acetic anhydride and abstract alpha hydrogen atom from it and forms carbanion of acetic anhydride. In the next step, prepared carbanion acts as a nucleophile and goes to nucleophilic addition with electron deficient carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde. It forms tetrahedral anion intermediate of aldehyde. In the next step, the anion gets protonated by the acetic acid, which is released in the first step to form another intermediate, which loses water molecule to form alpha beta unsaturated mixed anhydride. In the last step of this reaction mechanism, this alpha beta unsaturated mixed anhydride gets hydrolyze to give our required product, that is cinnamic acid with the loss of acetic acid. One of the notable application of this Perkin reaction is in the laboratory synthesis of phytoestrogenic stilbene resveratrol. Now we stop here. In upcoming lecture is also interesting as like this. In this lecture, we will study about acidity of alpha hydrogen atom in carbonyl compounds, some most important name reactions like aldol condensation, Mannich reaction, Reformatorsky reaction with their reaction mechanism, and many more. So stay with me. With this, we conclude our today's lecture here. I think all of you satisfied with this knowledge. If any query about this content, comment me in comment box. If you like this video, please press like button and don't forget to subscribe here. And also click on bell icon for the notification of my new upcoming lectures. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.